Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm Sonam. I am an Indian and currently living in Japan. I'm living in Fukuoka and working in an investment bank. And I love traveling. So recently I have been to Korea, and this video is about what are the requirements being an Indian citizen living abroad but want to travel to Korea. So I personally faced some issues when I was applying for the visa. So I wanted to have such kind of a video somewhere, but I could not find. So I thought of making one now. So I'm hopeful that you will get some help out of that. So let's get started. You need in total 9 documents. I made a list here. So the very first one would be visa application form. Yes, so visa application form that you can download from the embassy site. Okay, first of all, let me tell you how was the experience. So I'm currently living in Japan. So to apply for the visa, we firstly need an appointment. And I observed that the appointment schedule, whenever you watch, like whenever you see on the website, it generally says that it's already fully booked. But if you wait on Thursday morning, it actually shows some slot. So Wednesday and Thursday is actually your chance when you can find some slots out of that. So don't lose hope if you will see that, oh, there's no schedule for next week. Like it actually shows like it is fully booked for 2 months straight, but actually it's not. So yeah, and let's get back to the visa things. So visa application form that you can download from the embassy site, and then you need certificate of balance of deposit. So this is, I'm talking this very particularly if you're living in Japan. You need a certificate of balance of deposit, which you can get from the bank, whoever bank you are. I have a Yucho bank account, Japan Post bank account. So I went there and they made it in just one day. So they take 1100 yen to make that, and you have to just say them like, we need balance of deposit certificate, and they know what it is and what it is used for. So basically it is the amount of balance that you have in your account, and it is valid for 1 month. Its validity of that certificate is 1 month. And before that, my visa first time it got rejected because instead of this certificate of balance of deposit, I actually took my bank statements, like we do in India. I did it that way, and they said like, no, we don't accept it that way, so just come again with the certificate of deposit. So yeah, so that was the thing. And then you need confirmed flight tickets, like to and fro, as you know that. And we need hotel bookings, and yeah, you need like complete days of hotel bookings to I had one day less because I had a friend in Korea which I was planning to stay there with her, but and I explained that to the embassy guy, but he said like, no, we want it complete. So I just immediately booked it. So please, like, be sure of doing that. And then certificate of employment, as I am an investment banker in Japan. So I'm a full-time employed salary woman. So I have that. So I want you to bring that too. You can ask your company to make that for you. And it for me it took like almost 1 week. I applied. I said to my HR that I need my certificate of employment, and they got it arranged for me. And then you need residence card copy, which is very much required. And you need passport copy. Yeah, took some photo state copies of your passport. And you need residence certificate. And residence certificate you can get from Combini, any, like you can go to 7-Eleven or Lawson or anything. You can just go and where the print machine is, you can choose that one of the section which says certificates, and you have to like get your residence certificate from there. It just go with your my number card, and if you cannot figure it out, just ask for help, whoever is working in the company that time. So I guess that staff would be so happy to help you out and get your and it just costs like 10 yen or 20 yen, I guess. So it's very cheap, and you can get your residence certificate from that. And if you don't have a my number card, I have heard from my friends that you can go to ward office and get it from there, but it takes some time and it takes money also. Like definitely more than 10 yen, I'm sure. So something like that. And then you need photo, whenever we apply for visa, we need a photograph. So yeah, keep that in mind and see the size from the embassy side. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you, that please don't lose hope. Sometimes, like, I have observed, like, in the Korean embassy, they are kind of rude a little bit, but if you have everything, they are okay. So when you will prepare all your documents, just visit the embassy, and okay, keep in mind your flight ticket should be 3 weeks from your date of appointment. You got it? Like, if you are going, your appointment date is like 1st of February, then keep in mind you have a gap of like 21 to 22 days when you are about to fly, and it should be less than, I guess, 2 months. Like, it should not be in like May or something. They will not accept it that way. So minimum gap should be 3 weeks up to like 2 months. Like, keep that in mind, like, more or less. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share. And about the fees, I get it was 5,400 yen, around like 5,000 yen around, which is 3,000 rupees around. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I guess if you will have all your documents, and the time schedule would be good, then it's okay, you can do that. I was so happy when I got the visa, because before that, like, Taiwan, you can get just visa on arrival, and all the, like, Thailand, Vietnam, all the countries I've been to, a visa was not an issue, except Singapore. I had to do some things for Singapore, which is an interesting story in itself. But yeah, it took me time, like, and efforts to get a Korean visa. So, but yeah, at the end it was worth it. I did a solo trip during Christmas time, and it was very fun. I went to Seoul and Busan, and I did a demilitarized zone tour in like, to the borders of North and South Korea, which was a wonderful memory and a very adventurous experience. Highly recommended. So yeah, have fun in Korea and enjoy your day. Bye bye.